Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook profile photo visible to everyone on PC using the latest update. If you want to make sure anyone can see your profile picture, no matter who they are, this simple step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your PC. Head over to your browser, log into your account, and you're ready to go. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile photo. Click on your profile photo to open your personal profile page. Now, on your profile page, you'll see your profile picture right at the top. Click directly on your profile photo to open it in full view. Once the profile picture opens, look to the top right corner of the image. You'll see 3 dots next to it. Click on those 3 dots to open a menu with more options. In the menu, you'll see an option that says *Edit Audience*. Click on it, and a window will pop up with privacy settings for your profile picture. To make your profile photo visible to everyone, select Public. This means anyone, whether they're your Facebook friend or not, can see your profile picture. Once you've selected Public, click Done to save your changes. And that's it. Your profile photo is now visible to everyone, including people who aren't on your friends list. This is a great way to make your profile picture more accessible and ensure that anyone visiting your profile can see it. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.